Is AI automation even a real career? Can you actually make a full-time income with it? Or will AI just replace this job before you even get good at it? I had this doubt too. If you are learning automation like me, you have asked this question too. Hey everyone, I'm Abdul. Welcome back to Automation Learners Lab, where I build automation workflow publicly, learning Python from scratch, and turning this skill into real project and income. The real job isn't AI automator, the real job is digital problem solver, but it's business process architect. A client doesn't come to you and say, please connect the OpenAI node to the Google Sheet node. No, a client only come to you and say, my sales team is swamped. We are getting over 100 leads coming in every day, but we aren't fast enough in follow up. My leads are going cold. I'm losing money. Help me. AI can solve that. It doesn't understand the business. It can talk to the client, identify the real bottleneck, and design a custom solution. But the guy who knows how to use AI can do that. Come along, let me show you. This is a system I built for real estate agents. When a new lead comes in from their website or any of their listing platform, they receive their inquiry, which is super fast instantly. As you can see, it processes the lead data and scores the lead. It instantly sends the lead and personalized WhatsApp message. It logs the lead data into a CRM and notify the agent about the lead after scoring the lead if it's a high priority lead or depends on the lead data and the needs. This system then drafts a personalized follow-up email from the agent and schedule an event task in the agent's calendar. Let me go into my email and see if let's wait. Yeah, as you can see, this is it. High priority lead alert addresses your address. New high priority lead, immediate action needed. As you can see, this is amazing. The AI score this lead as 7 out of 10, priority medium. So it's a good because he has a budget of 750,000 to 1 million budget for this, and investment is a high priority based on how you want how your company or your agency classify high priority. This is a demo, so let's see the welcome email. Let's see the welcome email. Here's it. Hi Vlad, thank you so much for reaching out. I'm trying to assist you in finding a perfect investment property. Your interest in investment opportunity within 750k to 1 million range is both exciting and promising. Can you see? This is amazing. This is very nice. As you can see, this is what we got. This is fantastic. I can't believe this. Within a blink of an eye, within a second, your lead gets a warmed welcome message, welcome reply. This is far better than manual work, and it gives you more advantage than any manual work. This system saves the teams 20 hours of admin work every single week. It increases their chance of conversion by 900%. That's not a tax. That's a business changing solution. Will AI replace the person who built that? No. AI is the tool that I use to build that. It's the most powerful tool I've ever had. AI doesn't replace the strategist. AI doesn't replace the problem solver. It replaces the repetitive low-level tasks in the process. AI is not coming for your job, but the person who knows how to use it will come for your job. Is this a real career? Yes, it's a six-figure skill. It's the foundation for the next generation of agencies, freelancers, and entrepreneurs. The work isn't connecting app, it's thinking. Here at Automation Learners Lab, that's what we do. We don't just learn Python. We build real world solution and monetize this skill. If you want to learn how to build this system like this and turn these skills into real income stream, hit the subscribe button. Let's be on the journey together. And if you're a business owner who is tired of seeing your team doing repetitive work and you want a custom revenue generating AI solution like the one I showed you, let's talk for 15 minutes. Click the link in the description below to book a free, no obligation automation consultation call with me. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.